In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your overdraft with Bank of America efficiently. If you've ever found yourself in a tight spot and wondered how overdraft protection can work for you, you're in the right place. Let me walk you through the process, step by step, to ensure you make the most of your Bank of America account features. Let's dive right in. To start, open up the Bank of America mobile app. Make sure it's installed on your smartphone and sign in to your account using your credentials. It's always important to remember your security practices when logging in, such as using a strong password that's unique to your banking needs. Once you're in, you'll want to head to the main menu. You can usually find this by tapping the menu icon, often represented by three horizontal lines, or directly accessing your Accounts tab. Here you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the checking account for which you wish to enable overdraft protection. Now, with your checking account in view, scroll down the page until you see the option to manage overdraft settings. This might seem like a small step, but getting to know your app's layout can save you time in the future. Tap on the Manage Overdraft Settings link to proceed. Once you're on the Overdraft Settings page, you'll find the option labeled Enroll in Overdraft Protection. When you select this, you will have the choice to link a savings account, credit card, or another Bank of America account as your backup. Linking accounts is an important decision. Think about which of your accounts might be the most beneficial for covering any unexpected expenses. For instance, linking a savings account might be a good way to manage extra funds you may have on hand. Before proceeding, you'll be prompted to read through the terms and conditions. This information is invaluable as it outlines the precise manner in which overdraft protection will work along with any associated fees. Give it a thorough read to understand how this service can affect your finances. Once you feel comfortable, tap on Agree and Continue to proceed. With everything in place, you've successfully activated your overdraft protection. Going forward, if you happen to run into a scenario where your checking account falls short, Bank of America will automatically step in to either transfer funds from your linked accounts or cover the overdraft cost to complete your purchase. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've secured a safety net for your account that can offer peace of mind and financial flexibility. Remember, while overdraft protection can be a helpful tool, it's also important to stay informed and responsible in managing your account to avoid potential fees. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful banking tips.